Hello everyone, welcome to the channel QCC Guide. Hope you all are fine, doing well and enjoying your life. So in the previous video I show you how to draw the walls. In today's tutorial I show you how to add the doors and windows. So let's get started. In the Revit 2020, go to the architecture tab, click on the door. Here we are the options of the doors. You can edit that, you can change their sizes, whatever you need to do is. We take the size of single flush 36 by 84 inches. So here we can set their sill height in the properties too, and their head height is 7 feet. You just click on the door and go to your view and just add the door here. Or you can also set by that way. Go to the modify, click on that move button, click there, and then again 4 inches from the wall, click OK. Again we want the door for this room also, so what you need to do is go to again in the door, click on your desired door, go back there, and now you can see it's not showing the way we want. So what you need to do is you just click on the space bar so it can change their direction. See, now you can click and it's placed. Again we want to set their height from the walls 4 inches. So move that, move again, and just click 0 4. So you can see, and you can also see the walls in the 3D view simultaneously, right? So now I can show you how you can change and edit the door sizes. You can also click on the door. Here's the option of create similar. Click on that and click there. See, so that's the main gate or the entrance gate of door of the TV lounge. We need to change their size. So what you need to do is just click edit type and make it duplicate. If you need 4 feet door here, so you just need to change their name, 4, okay, then where is that thickness, height, width, go to the width and change it to 4 feet and click OK. See, their size is changed. So we need to create one more. So what you need to do is click create similar and put that place, and we can change their direction from clicking it. See, now you can see also in the 3D view it shows you here. You see it's not on the center, so what you need to do is click on the keyboard DL, click on the keyboard DL on the center and draw the line, then click both of the door go to the modify tab, click on the move, and here we set the door at the centers. So now you see how we can set the doors and how we change the door width. So now I can show you how to add the windows in our floor plan and 3D view simultaneously. I go to the architect, click on the windows. So these are the families we have now. So you just need to do is click simply on whatever your need is. We take 48-inch window and click there, whatever direction you want. So you just click, you put window there and here. So now in 3D view you can see we add the windows and door. Thank you for watching QCC guide. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.